I wonder what we're going to do on the boat tonight, Duncan.
Well, tonight, what we're going to do, we've checked the brakes last week to have a look. We're going to check the linkages to see if there's any excess adjustments to be made, if we need to grease anything up. Wire brush the drums off, have a look at the shoes, and give them a clean up and lubricate any linkages and moving parts.
So, what's the next stage for looking at the brakes?
Okay, so the next stage, Rainer, is we're going to look at see what adjustment we have on where the cable's attached to the brake rod and at the centre part over the axle or below the axle, and then we're going to look at the handbrake end, at the front end of the train, to see if there's any adjustment there, because we want to have as minimal adjustment used as possible and do all the adjustment using the brakes on the wheels themselves first. We need to check to see if there's any adjustment on the cables. The rod, steel rod, is hopefully is a threaded bar, which you can adjust up and down, so we need to check that to see how much space we've got. And then we need to go to the front of the boat. What I'm looking at to see, is there any space for adjustment if required? There is a small amount of space, but I don't want to touch that at all. I want to leave that as it is, but we need to clean it up and grease it on there.
Yeah, that looks good. The fully dressed man, safety boots.
So what we have here is the brake cable adjusted, over halfway adjusted. So what I'm going to do is to undo the nut on the back, move this whole cradle forwards about a good inch, and then we can bring these up to here to shorten the adjustment so we've got more adjustment for future. And then tighten these up again. Alright?
Alright.
So that gives us more adjustment on there. Does that make sense to you?
Yep.
If you're going to do something, let me know. I'll get I can't think of a better way of spending the Tuesday night.
There you go, eh? Okay.